In this video, we are going to see that how to create your first Python program using Colab. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to colab.research.google.com. As soon as you click over here, it will ask you to sign in. Once you click on sign in, it will ask you for your Gmail ID and password. Once you're done with your providing a Gmail ID and password, it will lead you to the Colab main page. By default, this specific dialog will appear on your screen, which will show you recent example, Google Drive, GitHub, and upload. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new notebook. I can create a new notebook by clicking over here, or I also have file option over here. So I'm going to use this button to create a new notebook. I just clicked over here and it will lead me to the new notebook. So as soon as you create a new notebook, it will name the notebook as untitled. If it is first file, it will just untitled, otherwise it will be untitled 2, 3. So I'm going to rename this file as hello world, and I'm going to type my first line of code. You can see that there is two addition button, one is code, one is text. So you can just click over here and it will add text over here. If you click on the code, it will add code over here. If you wanted to move any section upwards, you have an up arrow over here. If you wanted to move downwards any section, you have downward arrow over here. So I'm going to click upward arrow, and I'm going to type the text over here. What I'm going to type is this is my first Python program, and I just press enter and I can enter multiple lines. So I'm gonna type my first line of code. I just clicked over here. If I wanted to remove any section, I just click over here and you can see there's a bin option available over here. I just clicked on bin, then that code section disappeared from here. So I'm going to write my first function, that is print. I just did the bracket of one and apostrophe sign. I typed hello world exclamation mark. You can see that it is automatically saving the file and the name of the file is hello world. I just wanted to execute this program. I just click on the play button over here and this will print hello world on your screen. So we are going to wait for interpreter to interpret this statement, and then it will execute and show you the result. You can see that is showing the result hello world. If I wanted to add another code section, I just click over here and I can just type print. As I've typed text, I put apostrophes. I can type any number 100. It will not put apostrophe. We should not put apostrophe in front of the number. If I wanted to do basic mathematical operators, so I have created a new code statement in 10 plus 20, and I'm going to play this specific thing. You can see that it has shown you the result. So we have created our first program with the name of hello world, and we have provided a few statements. Now if I all of these things will be available on my Google Drive. If I go to my Google Drive, you can see there is a Colab notebooks available over here. I just click on Colab notebooks. You can see that hello world Python file is available over here, and I can create a new notebook from here only. I can just click on new notebook from here, or else I can open another notebook and stuff like that. So this is the very basic introduction for creating your first program in 5 minutes using Python and Colab. Thank you.